Good morning, Jamaican insiders. Welcome to Jamaica Before 7. In this one, we're on Old Hope Road. Do buckle up, relax, and enjoy. Passing by Kensington Crescent on our left. You see her on the red light. Early morning here in Jamaica. So I know I have viewers from Germany, England, and Canada. Anywhere else? And of course Jamaica. How could I forget Jamaica, right? And the US. Any other viewers viewing from another country? Let me know in the comment section below. Love to hear from you. Taking it easy on this Wednesday morning. As we approach Fairway Avenue. The road gets a little bumpy here. On our left coming up is the headquarters for the People's National Party, PNP. So you can see the orange standing out. That party is currently in opposition, while the Jamaica Labour Party forms the government. So many stoplights. Going across Seaview Avenue. Passing by the FLA, Firearms Licensing Agency. Avenue on our left. Police Commissioner is on our left right now. There we go. Number 77 JUTC bus. He definitely isn't holding back. Society for the Blind on our left just now. The Jamaica Society for the Blind. Coming up to Campion College on our left. Actually, high school. And St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church and Prep School on our right. Matilda's Coroner Police Station on our left. Biggest Plaza on our left. Still on Old Hope Road. If you were to go left, it would be on Hope Road. If we were to go across the stoplight and keep left, we'll be heading to, well, we would be on Barbican Road. That would take us to Barbican Road. But we're heading up on Old Hope Road, which of course, as you can see, is in the direction of Papine as well. Plaza on our left. You can get your breakfast over there by the Juicy Beef, or Juicy Patty is the official name. And of course on our right is you can get your Starbucks coffee. Mother's restaurant is over there as well. Side drive on our left us now. So these gentlemen are pointing to the US Embassy and they're offering parking for persons going to the US Embassy. You know, us Jamaicans are very innovative with the hustling. Shoppers Fair supermarket on our left. There's also a Domino's Pizza in that plaza on our left. Passing by Anglican Church, also on our left. I'm coming by, or passing by Ravina Road on our left. KFC on our right. by now that this is the best high school in all of Jamaica to my left. Passing by Jamaica College, 189 Old Hope Road. We're still on Old Hope Road, of course, passing by Hope Pastures on our left. Just passing by Rada on our left. And Hope Zoo is to our left. Mona is on our right. Quite a few persons up and about, exercising, doing the right thing. Approaching Papine. To our left is the University of Technology, UTech. And this is the end of Old Hope Road, and we're going to end this video for today. I want to thank you so much for sticking and staying with me. As always, right now I'm in Papine Square. Did a video on Papine, so if you would like to see that video, what it looks like before 7, please check the link in the description. Until next time, Jamaican Insider out.